مرحبا Miss JJ's awesome Arabic class students. كيف حالكم؟ بخير? Today we are going to look at part 2 of the الدول العربية lesson. So it's the second part of the Arab countries. The first video we looked at the Arab countries in Asia, and today we are going to learn the Arab countries in North Africa. So this is the map here, just to give you a general idea. Just to recap very quickly, we learned last week the Arab countries here in Asia. We looked at Saudi Arabia, Lebanon. We also looked at Syria. And today we will be learning about the Arab countries in North Africa. Okay, here we have the learning targets. As usual, the learning targets are very important, so we get to know what we'll be doing. The first one says that the first three actually are the ones from last week that we already covered, but it's good to review. I can say how many countries there are in the world, how many Arab countries. Remember, we counted them and we said there are 22 Arab countries in the Arab world. Then I can identify the continents where the Arab countries are located, and these two continents are Asia and North Africa. I can list at least 5 Arab countries in Asia, and you guys did wonderful and listed more than 5. And this week we will be working and learning about the countries in the second continent, which is North Africa. And who doesn't remember the fabulous documentary that we watched about Qatar? You guys answered questions and you all did amazing. So let's have a quick look here at the map of the Arab countries. Like I said earlier, we did cover the Middle East. We looked at Lebanon, Syria, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Oman, Yemen, Bahrain, and of course Qatar. I do not want to forget also Jordan. So this week again, we will be focusing on the second part of the Arab countries, which is in Northern Africa. All right? All right, so this map shows the countries, the Arab countries, just in North Africa. So you have here Egypt, Masr, Sudan, El Sudan, Libya, Tunisia, Tunis, Algeria, Aljazair, Morocco, المغرب, Western Sahara. All right, so let's look at the next slide. All right, boys and girls, this is also the study guide vocabulary that I would like for you to look at again. We did see them last week. Arab countries in Africa. Last week we saw the Arab countries in Asia. You remember, country is balad, and you wrote these in your Arabic notebook. Country is balad. Arabic is Arabi. Asia is Asia. Yeah, I made a mistake here. This should be Asia, not Africa. It's okay. Continent is Qara. And capital is Asima. Balad, Arabi, Asia, Qara, Asima. The word Africa in Arabic is Afriqiya. Afriqiya. All right? Let's have a look at some Arab countries with their capitals. Here we have a look at Djibouti, and the capital is Djibouti. Djibouti. Beautiful beaches. Next, we have the Comoros Island. The Comoros Island in Arabic is جزر القمرس, جزر القمرس, and the capital is Moroni. Also beautiful beaches and resorts. The next one is Egypt and Masr, and the capital of Egypt is Cairo. Cairo in Arabic is Al-Qahira. Look at these beautiful pyramids and this big sphinx. It's really awesome. Egypt, we call Egypt the mother of all civilizations. I have been to Egypt and I think it's an amazing country and I would love to go back again one day. Wonderful. So again, Egypt is Masr and Cairo is Al-Qahira. Here, boys and girls, there's a quiz that we are going to take together. I would like to do it with you now because if you missed the live session, this will be, good for watching the video again. So how do I say country in Arabic? The answer is balad. Country in Arabic, the answer is balad. What is the capital of Djibouti? Is the capital of Djibouti Moroni? True or wrong? You know what? I'm going to give you the chance to answer yourself. And then please send me your answers via Google Classroom. It's better than me just giving you the answers like this, okay? So Moroni is the capital of Africa or Comoros? Where is Egypt located? In which continent? Is it in North Africa or Asia? أين مصر؟ أين توجد مصر؟ في شمال أفريقيا أو في آسيا؟ How do we say capital بالعربي? Is it عاصفة or عاصمة? Cairo is the capital of which country? Is Cairo the capital of Egypt or the Comoros? Is Al-Qahira the capital of Masr أو جزر الكوموروس? Where is Djibouti? Is Djibouti in Asia or North Africa? Now, last but not least, in which continent is Syria in? Is Syria in Asia or in Africa? Remember, boys and girls, Syria is very close to Lebanon. And you guys remember where Lebanon is, right? All right, we're done with the quiz. I hope you did well. Oh, we have another question. Which continent is Jordan in? الأردن. أين الأردن؟ أين توجد الأردن؟ في شمال أفريقيا أو في آسيا؟ Good job, boys and girls. I can tell that you are doing excellent. And Doha is the capital of which country? Is Doha the capital of UAE or Qatar? All right. I hope you all did well on the quiz. If you didn't, please take it again. Refer to the beginning of the video or the first one. All right. Now this is a beautiful picture of Tunis. Tunis is Tunisia, and the capital of Tunis is also Tunis. Tunis. Beautiful. Next, we have beautiful Algeria, Aljazair, Aljazair. And the city of the capital of Aljazair is also called Aljazair بالعربي, and in English we say Algiers. All these beautiful cities on the sea. And here we have Morocco, Morocco, Al-Maghrib, Morocco, Al-Maghrib. Look at these beautiful pink homes, nice. And the capital of Al-Maghrib is Al-Rabat, Al-Rabat. All right. And here I wanted to show you the capital of the map of Morocco. Our other Arabic teachers, Miss Hannah and Miss Shula, went to Morocco in the spring of 2019, and they came back with beautiful pictures, and they had an amazing experience. So, and they visited many cities like Rabat. Rabat, like I said, is the capital, but you also have Casablanca, which is like an important big city. You have Fez, also very important city. Okay, enjoy this beautiful picture. And here I would like to share with you some cultural information about Al-Maghrib. Again, Al-Maghrib is Morocco. The capital of Morocco is Rabat. عاصمة المغرب رباط. عاصمة المغرب رباط. Another important city in Al-Maghrib is called Marrakesh. Marrakesh is another important city. You also have Casablanca and Fez. An important Jabal in Al-Maghrib, Jabal is mountain, is the Atlas Mountains, Jabal al-Atlas. Okay? And one of their authentic foods in Al-Maghrib is Tajan. Tajan. Oh, here we have another picture of another country. This is Libya, and the capital of Libya is Tripoli. In Arabic, we say Trablus. And here we have Sudan, Sudan, and the capital is Khartoum. Here we have Mauritania, and the capital is Nouakchott. Again, another big city is Somalia. Another big country, I meant, is Somalia. In Arabic is As-Somal. And the capital, the Asima, is Mogadishu. All right, boys and girls, I think this is the end of our video. We will be playing the Time to Climb game together and answering all the questions related to the game. Last but not least, I would like for you to track your progress like we always do. Remember, we start at novice, and I'm hoping you are now on apprentice or maybe expert. I'll see you again next time, boys and girls. You're fabulous, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Ma salama.